and we look at the payday rule, this one is pretty cool. The payday rule, it allows you to pay yourself first. So in that popular book, The Richest Man in Babylon, one thing that book teaches is it teaches to always pay yourself first. So when you get a paycheck, or you get paid, or whenever you get your hands on money, you put 10% into your savings. And usually your savings are also being invested. So over here,
I just made $5 million. $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. And then I jumped back for the final quarter of the NBA Finals. Courtside, of course. And all that was before lunch. I could go on, but all I'm saying is, I'm standing on top of the world.
hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the application, the app Qapital, with a Q. Qapital. Save, invest, and spend. So this is what the application looks like, and I'm going to be talking about the features that it offers and whether or not you guys should be signing up for Qapital. So the cool thing about Qapital is it offers it has a lot of features within the app. Like, for example, you see how it says spend? They actually have a checking account, like not a checking account, but it works like it essentially works like a checking account. You'll get a card, like a debit card. I already received mine. You'll get a debit card, and you could always throw money in there if you want, and you could actually, so you could use Qapital as a saving app, but you could also spend the money you save, and you could transfer from the saving section to the spending section. And they also have an investing section. So I'm gonna break all these sections out for you guys. So like I said, the spending section, that's for spending, and it works like a checking account. You're gonna get a card. You can see that little tiny picture over there. And the cool thing about this app is they have when like after you create a goal or something, they're gonna allow you to create a bunch of rules. So you can see here's all the saving goals. Do something, go somewhere, with a little dog picture. It looks like traveling. Get something, looks like a bike. Pay off debts, looks like college. Just start saving, and that one is just the basic generic saving. So they have rules. Like, I'm gonna show you guys when I go into my my investing section. So like over here you can see invest. What is your big goal? It says down payment, build wealth, retirement, just start investing, college fund for the kids, something else. Me, I just put build wealth, because build wealth sounds better than just start investing. Just start investing could mean like you're losing money. So I kind of wanted to put it on a positive note, build wealth, like I'm actually growing. So that's the one I picked. As you can see, I haven't funneled millions of dollars into my account yet, but I plan to. I was just testing it out and see how it works out. And so essentially, when you're creating rules, so the rules you create works both for the savings and the investings. So let me just show you how the rules work. So you see over here, I'm gonna create a new rule just so you guys can see all the rules. They have a set and forget rule. Set up deposits daily, weekly, or monthly deposits to make savings. So you can set. So me, I put a $1 a week. I'm probably gonna change it to $1 a day eventually. But anyways, I might put like millions of dollars. Right now I just have it set for $1 a week, just to play around with it. I'm gonna see how fast it is with the daily, but eventually I'm gonna be putting like millions of dollars. I'm gonna be spreading my money out into a bunch of these applications because I have so much money. But when we can see over here, hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the application, the app Qapital, with a Q. Qapital. Save, invest, and spend. So this is what the application looks like, and I'm going to be talking about the features that it offers and whether or not you guys should be signing up for Qapital. So the cool thing about Qapital is it offers it has a lot of features within the app. Like, for example, you see how it says spend? They actually have a checking account, like not a checking account, but it works like it essentially works like a checking account. You'll get a card, like a debit card. I already received mine. You'll get a debit card, and you could always throw money in there if you want, and you could actually, and then over here you could see it has transfer funds, recurring transfers, rules, pay bills, set up direct. We can see my membership is actually at a master's membership, and they gave it to me for free because I was an early member of their app. So they gave me their most premium membership free. But for you guys, there is going to be some fees if you guys use this app. They have different membership tiers. And here it is. We could see the Qapital Basic is $3 a month. The Qapital Complete is $12 a month. And the Qapital Master, the Qapital Complete is $6 a month. And the Qapital Master is $12 a month. So there you guys have it. That's the fees. So I'm getting $12 a month essentially for free. Even though... So the app does, the automatic features of the app is what I like about the app, and all the rules and stuff. So it's a great way to save some side money. So these fees are very costly, in my opinion, very costly. But if you're getting for free, like I did, then I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you guys are signing up with this app, use my referral link, get your $5, and thanks for watching.
One thing about this company is that they've a certain proximity from the personification of redundant axioms presupposed upon tautological repetitions, and enhance their paradoxical paradigms through redundant innovations. Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor, once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful," by billionaire Warren Buffett. And essentially what this means is when traders are greedy, they'll keep on buying and driving the price up and thinking that it's going to keep on going up and up and up. But eventually what ends up happening is the stock ends up tumbling back down to earth from the moon because of greed. And people, that's how people lose a lot of money. And when Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, what he means is that when others are fearful because the stock plummets and everyone starts selling their stocks at a discount, that's the time you want to start buying companies. That's the right time to buy. But usually people start selling. People call it a crash, and that word crash scares people. Really? Let's change the definition. Instead of crash, let's call it a discount. That's essentially what it is. A discount. That's really what it's all about. So as we can see, the Fear and Greed Index by CNN, what emotion is driving the market right now? What emotion? Right now, the greed is driving the market right now. And the reason for that is, as we can see, the McKellen Volume Summarization Index measures advancing and declining volume on the New York Stock Exchange. During the last month, approximately 8.23% more of each day's volume has traded in advancing issues than in declining issues, pushing this indicator forward the upper end of its range for the last 2 years. And as we can see, the stock price strength, that was the breadth. With the stock price strength, the number of stocks hitting 52 weeks highs exceeds the number of hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating extreme greed. As we can see, that's why the market kept going back up and up. As we can see, it's in the greed territory. As we can look at the safe haven demand, the difference in 20-day stock and bond returns, stock have outperformed bonds by 2.92 percentage points during the last 20 trading days. This is close to the strongest performance of stocks relative to bonds in the past 2 years, and indicates investors and rotating with stocks from the relative safety of bonds. And when we look at the put and call options, the CBOE 5-day average, the put-call ratio during the last 5 trading days, volume and put options has lagged volume in call options by 36.82%, as investors make bullish bets in their portfolios. However, this is among the lowest levels of put buying seen during the last 2 years, indicating greed on the part of investors. And when we look at the market volatility, the VIX and its 50-day moving average, the CBOE volatility index is at 15.72. This is neutral reading and indicates the market risks appears low. And when we look at the junk bond market, the yield spread between junk bonds versus the investment grades, investors in low quality junk bonds are accepting 1.74 percentage points in additional yield over safer investment grade corporate bonds. This spread is much higher than what has been typical during the last 2 years and indicates that investors are highly risk averse. When we look at the market momentum, the S&P 500 and its 125-day moving average, the S&P 500 is 1.04% below its 125-day moving average. During the last 2 years, the S&P 500 has typically been above this average. So rapidly declines like this indicate extreme levels of fear. So as we can see, the greed index right here, the greed over time, we are hitting the peaks. We're heading towards the peak greed moments. However, that being said, we still have more greed to go. So if you're heavily invested, this might be the time to get prepared for a downfall. As we can see, that way when you have cash at hand during times of extreme greed, extreme fear, you can buy stocks and from good companies at discounts. When we look at VictorVest Stock Advisory says that in the short term, the market is mildly bullish. VictorVest advocates buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. It's made $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions. I have 2 goals. My first goal is to help you become a millionaire just like me. My second goal is to turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining. Everyone is subscribing to my channel, so
so you can stay ahead of the curve, so you can come to my show, so you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire tribe. Watch this video until the end to win the grand prize. It's showtime. Congratulations! Now that you watched my video, you are one step closer to becoming a multi-millionaire like me. I have more than $100 million in my Robinhood account. And that's just in my Robinhood account. I have a lot more in all my banks, in my Webull account, in my M1 Finance account. If you guys want free $200, download the Robinhood app for free using my link below. If you guys want free $1,000, use my link below for a chance to win $1,000 on my Webull account. And if you want a chance to win $25, make sure you download the app using my link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel so I can go over more news, more companies, and more stocks. I'll cover the earnings per share, the charts, the trends, the ratings, the news, the Sortino ratio and Sharpe ratio, market correlation, PE ratio, cash flow, balance, statements, net assets and liabilities, and many more. Just for watching this video, I'm going to give you the chance of winning the grand prize. For your chance to win, subscribe to this channel and comment down below, future millionaire. That's what you want to write in the comments below. Write future millionaire. For every social media website you share this video, it will increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Share this video on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, to all your social media accounts to increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Congratulations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below the words future millionaire, and don't forget to share this video so you can win the grand prize. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing. We might make a part 3 soon. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Oh, and check out our last video here. Bye.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money.
Dollar. Ching, ching, bling, bling, got the chatter. You ain't talking money, then your talking don't matter. Ching, ching, bling, bling, patent pockets. We take the dollar, can a damn soul stop it. Here comes the new kid on the block. Hold on.
Wat hakt er alla